Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol SLNO. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame. I think that's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price. And in this situation, makes mapping out a very logical question quite straightforward. That question revolves around the fact that today the price had a very nice move. I mean, when you consider where the price was going into the day and then where it ultimately closed up there, any rational human is going to say, yeah, the price definitely made some good solid progress today. Good, nice move. But that definitely leads into the valid question of, but is there any sort of true power behind this price movement? Is there any sort of genuine strength? Or is this just some sort of knee-jerk reaction type movement? I have no idea, but like I said, by using charts, we can make answering that question very straightforward. And in my mind, it all revolves around a single area. And that area on the chart is right here at 62 cents. Why is 62 cents so important? Well, hopefully we can all agree on the logic that price movements with genuine power, with true strength, the price is going to progress forward. The price is not going to go back to where it was. I'm assuming you're saying, hey, thanks, Captain Obvious. Of course, if a price movement is truly powerful, it's not going to go back to where it was. That would be a contradiction. Exactly. So with that in mind, think about 62 cents. Any sort of closes below it, or worse yet, if the price separates to the downside, what would that be doing to the price? That would literally be putting the price right back inside of this range that it just broke out from. Again, going back, not a sign of true strength. Whereas let's say the price pulls back here and does something like this. What would you have in this situation? Well, you'd have a set of lows right here. You'd have that previous base of lows down here. If you picture each one of these as stair steps, well, hey, now you have stair steps progressing in the upwards direction. And again, that's the name of the game. That's what a truly strong move is going to do. It's going to make progress forward. And in this situation, I'm defining and quantifying the statement make progress forward as 62 cents. Now, what about areas of resistance? As things stand right now, the sellers showed up today on a couple different occasions up there at 74 cents. So 74, public enemy number one going into next week. All in all, though, no doubt about it, nice way to close out the week. So it's, like I said, definitely a valid question now of can the bulls build upon this momentum next week? We shall see. One of the biggest questions I get is, hey, Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now, and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.